So we'll see the storage quota management. Okay, so it is a FSRM feature which allows system administrator to apply the limit on storage for users. Example, user 1 should get 1 GB storage, user 2 should get 2 GB storage, and user 3 should get 1 GB storage, and so on. So now our requirement is Bill should get 5 GB network drive. Just 1 second. Yeah. So Bill should get 5 GB network drive, and we need to follow these steps. We need to create the quota template. After that, we'll apply the quota template to the user folder. Okay, so you need to follow these 2 steps.
Okay.
So the first step is to create the quota template of 5 GB. So in our case, what we will do, we will create the quota template for 2 GB. Okay. And how to create the quota template? We'll log on to the domain controller. Then we'll open the server manager. Then we'll go to tools. Under tools, we'll select this file server resource manager. You will get this window. Okay, you will go to the first option, which is quota management. We'll expand this option. Once we expand this option, we'll get 2 sub options here, quota and quota template. So first we'll create the quota template. We'll select quota templates, and we have already some templates created here. Okay, like 100 MB limit, 200 MB limit, 200 MB, 250 MB extended limit, monitor 200 GB. So we have so many templates available here, but we want to create our own template. So what you will do, you will right click on this quota template, and you will select this create quota template option. After that, you will provide the name here, any meaningful name. So 5 GB template or 2 GB template. Then we will specify the limit here, 5, then we'll select GB. So we have given the limit here. So in our case, we are going to give 2 GB limit. Then it is having 2 options, hard quota option, soft quota option. What is the meaning of this hard quota option? So let us say you have selected 5 GB limit. So it will not allow user to exceed 5 GB. If you select soft quota option, so it will allow the users to exceed the limit. And this option we used for monitoring. Let us say we have given the limit of 5 GB storage, and we have informed the users that you should use only 5 GB. And we want to test this user whether he is obeying us or not. So what we will give, we'll select this soft quota option, and we'll see whether the user is using more than 5 GB or not. So here with soft quota, he can exceed the limit. Okay, so once he is exceeding the limit, you will get the message. Okay, you can monitor him and you can give him the warning. Okay, or you can go and check whether actually he needs more than 5 GB or not. Okay, if he needs actually more than 5 GB, let us say he is using 10 GB and he is saving the important files. So what you can do, you can exceed the limit to 10 GB. If he is not saving the important files, so you can warn him. Okay, so it is used to monitor the user. So we'll go with hard quota. After that, if you see here, the quota was created. Okay, so the template, we have given the name 5 GB template, and it is created here. After creating the template, we'll do the second step, which is apply the template to bill folder. So then we'll select the first option, which is quota. We'll right click on quota and we'll select this create quota option. Then you will get this window, and here we need to browse the home folder. Okay, so we'll go to home folder. It is saved in F home folder. Then we'll go to bill. So we'll select bill here, F home folder bill. After that, we'll select this option. Okay, we'll select the template, 5 GB template. Then we'll click create. Okay, and this 5 GB template is applied to bill folder. And if you go to the home folder of bill, you will get 5 GB here instead of 100 GB. In our case, it will get 2 GB. Okay, so let us limit the bill to use only 2 GB of hard disk. So we'll go to tools, then we'll go to file server resource manager. And we'll go to this quota management option, the first option. Then we'll create the quota template. So if you see here, we have some ready-made templates. So we are not going to use these ready-made templates. We'll create our own template. We'll right click, create quota template, and 2 GB template. And here you can see, you can apply the limit in MB, KB. So we are going to apply the limit in GB, 2 GB, and we'll select the hard quota. Do not allow the users to exceed the limit. Soft quota allows the user to exceed the limit. It is for monitoring. Then we'll click OK. And 2 GB template is created. And you can see it is hard. Then we'll go to quotas. Then we'll right click, create quota, and we'll provide the path. We'll go to F and home folder. Under this home folder, we have bill folder. We'll select the bill and we'll click OK. And this quota will be, or this template will be applied. Where is that 2 GB we have created? Okay, 2 GB template. Then we'll select this create option. Okay, then we'll log on to any computer using bill user 1 2 3. Now if you see, the quota is how much? 2 GB. Okay, so let us close it and verify it. You go to properties, and what is the capacity now? 2 GB. Okay, so it is restricted to 2 GB. But user, this bill can save all the files in this drive. Okay, he can save the images. You can see he is allowed to save all kind of files, but we can restrict bill, okay, not to save the images. So we'll see it on Monday. Okay, so
Okay, no problem.